Most of us know what natural gas is. It supplies about 25% of all energy used in the U.S. More than half our homes are heated by natural gas. When you burn it, it gives off a lot of heat, but interestingly, it doesn't produce smoke, which is why gas is so clean. Natural gas is also used for cooking food, generating electricity for power plants, drying clothes, even running trucks, trains, and buses. Lots of things. What you're looking at is liquefied natural gas. But what's with the liquefied part? It sounds like a contradiction. Is it a gas or a liquid? It can't be both, or can it? As it turns out, if you make natural gas cold enough, it turns into a liquid. About minus 260 degrees Fahrenheit will do it every time. And when you warm it back up, it turns back into exactly the same natural gas it started as. Perfectly the same thing. In this country, gas is transported very efficiently by underground pipelines, bringing it to nearly any location in the U.S. 302,000 miles of pipelines, moving huge amounts of natural gas this way. How do you get it across the ocean when there is no pipeline? By liquefying it. The gas takes up a mere 1/600th of its original volume when it's liquid, and it doesn't need to be kept under pressure. Liquefied natural gas is just the best and most cost-effective way to transport natural gas across the sea.
This is a beaker of liquefied natural gas, or LNG. The LNG is boiling off, so to speak, because the natural gas has to be at minus 260 degrees Fahrenheit in order to turn it into a liquid. Any temperature above that will cause that LNG to re-vaporize, and that's why you see this fog that's coming off the beaker. LNG is non-toxic, it's non-explosive when it gasifies in an uncontained environment, it's non-corrosive, non-poisonous, and indeed it's not even flammable in its liquid state. And to demonstrate it, I'm going to take this burning cigarette and extinguish it in the LNG.
LNG is completely odorless, non-toxic, and non-corrosive. It's energy, just like oil or coal. But environmentally, economically, politically, natural gas offers lots of advantages.
LNG is an environmentally friendly fuel, so that in the highly unlikely event of a spill of LNG on water, it would merely vaporize and dissipate into the atmosphere with no slick or no residue whatsoever. To demonstrate, I have a beaker of water and a beaker of LNG. I have to use this glove because the LNG is extremely cold. And I'm going to pour the LNG on the water, and you see the LNG is boiling off because the temperature of the water was a lot warmer than the liquefying temperature to keep the natural gas in its liquid state. After the LNG evaporates and dissipates, all that's left is a little bit of ice on top of the water, and you can see it around the ring. And all that's left is regular water.
Our presence on Earth is so significant that humankind can be seen even from outer space. Many question the environmental impact of our energy consumption. Supplementing our natural gas supply with liquefied natural gas will give us the least impact for everyone.